Hi, this is Vimanyu here. Welcome to my channel Talk to Share. Today we are going to make choco lava cake. Choco lava basically means chocolate flowing out of it, as you can see on the video. So we are going to start with chopping up some chocolates. Here I took a compound chocolate. We are going to take roughly 120 grams of it. We are going to chop it so that it's easier to melt it out. Now we are going to measure white butter 120 grams. We are going to use this white butter to melt the chocolate. What we are going to do is we are going to melt the white butter for roughly 30 to 1 minute till it's hot enough. We are going to add the chocolate into it and let it rest for 1 minute so that the chocolate melts on its own. Then we are going to mix it all so that the chocolate becomes flowing in consistency and there's no solid left. Now we're going to start measuring the refined flour we're going to put it in. We are going to take roughly 15 grams of refined flour. And we are going to take 50 grams of sugar for this recipe. Now we are going to add 2 whole eggs into this and 2 egg yolks. We are going to discard the whites, or you can use it in some other recipe. Now we are going to whisk the eggs together till they are fluffy a bit, and we are going to add the sugar that we weighed out little by little till it's all incorporated, and we're going to keep on whisking it till it's very light and very fluffy. Into this we are going to add the melted chocolate that we prepared earlier, and again we are going to beat it till it's all incorporated. Now we're going to add in the refined flour, and we're not going to beat it, we are just going to fold it gently and make sure to sift the refined flour earlier so that no lumps are there. Now we are going to grease the mold with butter first, and into the mold we'll add some more flour. We're going to tap it all so that it's covered nicely, and then bang it on to gently, of course, on the workplace so that the excess of the flour is out. And then we're going to pour in the batter. We're going to bake this for at 230 degrees Celsius for roughly 9 to 10 minutes. And this is what my choco lava cakes look after baking. We are going to just cut out the edges so that it does not stick, and then we are going to demold it onto the plate. And now we're going to cut it. Now the chocolate that's flowing out, this is what gives it the term the choco lava cake. If all goes correctly, this is what you will have at the end of the day. I hope you like this. Thank you for watching.